Good morning, everybody. Namaskar. Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. Today we are here to talk on one of your things which you don't like. I know, studies. But today what we are going to present before you is something which you will love. We all know whenever examination or this thing comes, jitters start coming to us. No one likes to study. कई बच्चे पूछते पढ़ाई बनाई किसने? With evolution of technology, आजकल टेक्नोलॉजी ने कई चीजें इजी कर दी है. So using technology, we have made studies fun. So if somebody were to say you learn something and you will not forget it for your life, I think that will be amazing. Today, retention is a bigger problem than learning. Learning is not a problem. The biggest problem is retention. So today we'll try to demonstrate before you some skills, and we'll also tell you in how much time the students did it and some more informative things. Since we are already late, we'll just get on to our program. I'll just ask one of the questions and then you'll know the importance of what we are doing. How many of you, just raise the hand, who have not heard about Akbar the Great? So there is no raising of the hands. And when I'll ask my next question, I'm very sure not many of you will raise the hand. When was Akbar born? So now you see a similarity. We all heard about Akbar. But when was Akbar born? Again, no hands raised. So in our research, what I have found, numbers are the most difficult one to learn. If you will see, numbers play a very important part in our life and they are the most difficult ones to learn. And we all want to have a good memory. And you know, as we grow up, memory starts decreasing. That's what we say. हम कहते हैं बूढ़े हो गए, memory कम हो रही है. So today we'll try to demonstrate what is your potential, what all you can do and things like that. Now in the first part which we are starting, we'll take a 2-digit number. Our volunteers will come and you need to give us a 2-digit number. And that 2-digit number can be anything from 00 to 99. So suppose you want to say 7, you will say 07. And in case you want to say any 2-digit, that will be 2-digit number. The number will come on the screen and then we'll go ahead what we'll be demonstrating. So we'll just start it. We'll take a 2-digit number. You can just take 2-digit number, right? And the number will come on the screen. That number can be anything from 00 to 99. So the first number is 89. I hope it is visible to everybody at the back. Is it clear? Okay. The next number is 27. Okay. The next number is 77. 99 is the next number. The next number is 55. Huh? Yeah, please, we'll come. Please don't prompt. We'll go one by one. 22. Please, no noise. 29. 83. 83. 59. One by one, one by one.
69.
Okay, 69.
31.
Wait. 31.
05.
Okay.
33.
Okay. After 3105?
Yeah.
3105.
Then 33.
Wait. After that? 33. 33. Take one by one. You can just take one by one. You can take from teachers there or anything.
09.
09. 55. And why are we taking these numbers? We'll explain once this concludes why we are taking it live.
38.
38.
05.
Wait. After 38?
26.
26.
42.
42. One by one.
24.
One. After 42?
30.
One by one, beta.
24.
24. Varsha, do one thing. Just pick up a row and take one by one. That would be sufficient.
07.
07.
23.
After 02?
11.
11. Okay.
15.
15.
84.
Wait. 84. I think the number is visible to everybody. Now, why I said the numbers are most difficult ones, because we took a case of Akbar. Everybody knew Akbar, but when he was born, it's difficult. So when you come across studies, there are many instances where numbers play a very important role. And you will know periodic table is one place. Periodic table is one place where elements and all of them have a particular number. They have a particular property. So when you take entrance exams, if you know the periodic table, it helps you. Similarly, when you take any entrance exam, say CLAT, UPSC, today general awareness is one of the papers that helps a lot. And in that, the biggest problem today is our reading. Most of you may be reading newspapers, but not the main. It is the other part. What the film stars are doing and all, you have all the knowledge. But when it comes to the main part, we hardly need. And when it comes to examination, it is all about current affairs. So this cannot come just. And if you use the traditional rote learning method, you will forget. Exam में बहुत बार होता है. Moment you see the question, you become very happy. कल रात को पढ़ा था. And next moment, sad. Answer याद नहीं आ रहा. Answer याद नहीं आ रहा. और मैंने देखा है. हम लोग योग करें ना करें, लेकिन एग्जामिनेशन में रामदेव बाबा का गर्दन आसन बहुत अच्छा होता है. पूरे घूम जाते हैं कि भाई कहीं से आंसर पता चल जाए. पूरी मेहनत करते हैं और तभी हमारी मेमोरी धोखा दे रही होती है. And sometimes it happens just you walk out of the examination hall and the answer comes. But then there's no chance to go back. So today, what we'll be demonstrating is using advanced technique. Once you learn something, you'll not be able to forget. Second, we'll be doing some random things which you'll find it's really impossible to do and very difficult. So why we are taking up numbers today? Because these are the most difficult. अगर सबका नाम 10-10 डिजिट होता और तुम्हारे 15 फ्रेंड होते तो तुम बस परेशान हो जाते. 150 डिजिट याद रखना है. That's why we have names. And one more memory principle says, you see 1,000 faces and you even get introduced. कल को हम जयपुर में उसको मिलते हैं तो देखते ही याद आ जाएगा इसको हमने वहां देखा था. जो दूसरा याद नहीं आता उसका नाम. So, your right brain is much more powerful than your left brain. Right? So today we'll be demonstrating how a student can be made to do these techniques, and once you do, you'll find studies fun. So you'll find that something which can be learned in 2 hours, you'll just learn in 1 hour and you'll remember it for a very, very long time. So there are today advanced technological things by which you can learn number very fast. So today we'll be demonstrating you before some things. One, as you have the handouts, there are prime ministers from 1 to 17. And today we'll be demonstrating how our students will recall randomly. हम order की बात नहीं कर रहे पहले कौन दूसरा कौन. It will be a random recall. 118 elements are there in periodic table. And believe me, it is not easy to learn them. And if we are to recall randomly, कोई हमें कोई 31 क्या होगा और एकदम से हम आंसर दे दे कोई कहे 60 क्या होगा, it is next to impossible. Random recall would be very difficult. There are 196 countries almost. And if I were to ask you capital, बहुत मुश्किल से हमें 15-20 होगा. And most of them we might have not even heard of. Recalling all the capitals, and the learning time is just 2 hours. We can make you do these things in 2 hours. We can make you learn entire world capitals, just 2 hours. Not normal method, again the right brain. Then cube root up to 1 crore. Any number up to 1 crore and you will be able to recall that. And then what we'll be demonstrating before you today is this big number. You know, today most of the people have credit cards. Credit card खो जाता है, फोन करना है, नंबर ब्लॉक, क्रेडिट कार्ड ब्लॉक कराना है. अब ब्लॉक कर रहा है कैसे, नंबर ही नहीं पता होता. तो हाफ द टाइम वी कीप ऑन सर्चिंग. पहले के जमाने में क्या है, ये मोबाइल फोन्स नहीं होते थे, सो वी डिपेंडेड ऑन आवर मेमोरी. टुडे इट हैज मेड अस सो रिडेंडेंट दैट वी आर सो मच डिपेंडेंट कि एक नंबर भी उठाना होता है, अगर मोबाइल वर्क नहीं कर रहा तो हम डायल नहीं कर पाते. सो जब क्रेडिट कार्ड ब्लॉक हो जाता है, कस्टमर केयर कहता है नंबर क्या है, ये क्या है, कार्ड ही नहीं है तो नंबर तो अगर सेव नहीं किया तो प्रॉब्लम है. सो नंबर्स प्ले ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. कोई कार मार के भाग गई, नंबर नोट करना था या नंबर नोट किया था, लास्ट में 68 आ रहा था या 86 आ रहा था. सो देयर इज ऑलवेज ए कंफ्यूजन विद द नंबर्स. Numbers are the most difficult ones to learn. So today we'll make easy, demonstrate before you how things can be made easy. And the students who have done this, we just had 20 days time. And I'd like to thank Principal Ma'am for giving us this opportunity and all the support so that I could mold them that they can do it. They can do it easily. And one thing I'll say, maybe they may falter sometime here and there or that. That's all obvious because when such a big audience is there, it's just like examination. Question, हम जब हॉस्टल में घर में करते हैं वो क्वेश्चन आराम से होता है. उसी क्वेश्चन को जब हमको एग्जाम में आ जाता है हम गलती करते हैं. So even today they may falter at some of the places that we will excuse them because it's such a short time and maybe it is there. So Amrita is coming up. She will recite this number in this order, obviously without looking. And there is a possibility she may go wrong. कोई number prompt नहीं करेगा. खाली number हम hand raise कर देंगे and she will try to correct on her own. So Amrita will recite this number.
Namaskar everyone. 8927 7799 552229 835969 3105 3309 55 38 26 40 55 38 Yeah. 5538 26 40 42 2407 004810 0802 111584 4412.
So, two things are to be noted. One, the number we took it live. Had we got this number before, one thing would have been आप याद करके आ गए. Second, the time. आप देखो नंबर खत्म होने के अंदर within 5 minutes in such a big atmosphere. If we were to remember this number using random method, you know how much time it will take. और इसका एक और significance, अगर हिस्ट्री में आपको this is a 60 digit number, अगर इतनी डेट्स याद करनी है तो इतना ही टाइम लगेगा. इतने ही टाइम में हम 30 इवेंट्स हिस्ट्री के याद कर सकते हैं. सो एंटायर हिस्ट्री इज जस्ट गोइंग टू टेक 2 to 3 hours मोस्ट ऑफ द इवेंट्स टू लर्न. एंड सेकेंड, जब तक आप चाहेंगे याद रख सकते हैं. आवर थीम इज भूल के दिखाओ, नॉट याद रख के दिखाओ. वंस यू लर्न, ट्राई टू फॉरगेट इट. Why we are demonstrating is just not one student, and then we'll take it up. There are many students who could do it. Nandini will again do this. And all of you can do it.
Namaskar everyone.
Nandini, if you could stop for 1 minute. How many girls are prepared to speak this way?
15 to 16.
Are they present here?
Yeah.
Where are they? If you could come on stage, we will randomly pick the girl.
Okay.
Please come on stage.
So most of them are outside.
तो बोलो उनको आने को बोलो.
Please come on stage.
आ जाओ स्टेज पे आ जाओ. क्या है?
Sakshi, can we hear from you?
Eight nine two seven 779955 222983 5969 310533 09 5538 26422407 00 4810 080211 15844412.
सीधा नहीं, उल्टा. We'll go back. चलो we'll see whether the method is just stereo, because going forward हम अपना चैलेंज बढ़ाते हैं. मैंने इनको कराया है, आज ट्राई करो उल्टा. हम उल्टा आएंगे. हमारा मोबाइल नंबर उल्टा बोलना होगा तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. 60 डिजिट. ट्राई गोइंग बैक. चलो दो बार. गलत होगा इससे ज्यादा क्या है. लेट्स सी द मेथड एंड सिस्टम.
2144
शी इज गोइंग बैक. 2144
214448 51 112080 01 018400 704224 8355 I'm skipping that. 8355 90 3350 1396 9538 9222 55 9977 7298.
Try that, try that.
Very good, Sakshi.
So you see the method. Going back, can you imagine इतना बड़ा number हम इतने कम time में
Nandini now.
Eight nine 27 77 99 55 22 29 83 59 69 31 05 33 09 5538 26 42 24 07 0048 10 0802 11 15 844412.
Very good, Nandini. We want to hear reverse.
forward reverse दोनों पे.
Shall we begin with reverse?
I'll go forward and I'll come reverse.
Okay.
Namaskar everyone, I'm Arpita. I'll start the forward counting first. 892777 9955 2229 83 835969 3105 3309 55 38 26 42 24 07 0048 100802 1115 844412
Very good.
21 2144 48 5111 2080 01 84 00 7042 24 62 83 55 90 33 50 13 96 95 38 9222 55 99 77 72 98.
And ma'am, with this girl, little difficulty I had with preparing so many things. She's from Burma. She's not from India. Ritika.
Very good.
तो रितिका she's. तो कई जो हम कैपिटल्स करेंगे एंड ऑल, तो वी हैव वेरी टेक्निक जहाँ हिंदी की हमें जरूरत पड़ती है. तो she still picked up. So next when we'll see, I mean I was not expecting. One question which I asked, who doesn't know Akbar? She raised hand. I said, what is this? So she said, sir, I'm from Burma. So that was it. Come on, Ritika.
8927779955 552229 835969 3105 33 33 0955 3826 4224 07 00 0048 10 0802 0211 15 84 8444 and 12.
Very good. Ritika.
Now, ma'am, we have so many other rounds. Can we go to that? Because the periodic table is there and so many things. Can you all come up, students? Here you go, what they'll be doing today. Not even a single school. Not even a single school will have students doing this. And in such a short span of time. So today, when you will see further, you will see the power of right brain. We use only the right brain techniques. And once you do this, you will be able to clear so many entrance exams and a lot of things. Anything in learning, history, geography, psychology, economics. There are various techniques which you can do for your reference so that you can see them. Now, these have been the prime ministers who have been sworn in, and we'll not be asking them in sequence. We'll be trying to random recall. So you'll see how the recall happens. So this method is so strong that whatever you learn, you don't need to learn in order or something. The methodology is so strong, it will come randomly. So we'll go one by one, and you'll see the answer is on the screen. Obviously, they cannot see. पीछे कोई आंखें नहीं है. So whatever they will be doing, it is this. 4,
Indira Gandhi,
10,
Chandrasekhar,
15,
Atal Bihari Vajpayee,
5.
Monarji Desai.
Mr. Keshav, let us ask them.
Sure.
Who was the 13th Prime Minister?
S.D. Devgowda,
10th?
Chandrasekhar,
5th?
Monarji Desai,
6th?
Charan Singh,
16th?
Manmohan Singh,
Present?
Narendra Modi,
1st?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
We have divided one thing so that you can put on any.
Let Sakshi answer.
11th,
P.V. Narasimha Rao,
12th,
Atal Bihari Vajpayee,
9th,
V.P. Singh,
19th,
Maybe Narendra.
9. V.P. Singh. 15. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. 12. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Good. 5th. Monarji Desai. Excellent.
So see the random recall, it's happening.
3rd from here. 6th Prime Minister?
Charan Singh.
9th?
V.P. Singh.
3rd?
Lal Bahadur Shastri,
14th?
Atal Bihari Vajpayee,
17th?
Narendra Modi,
3rd?
Lal Lal Bahadur Shastri.
11th,
P.V. Narasimha Rao.
We'll go. Once we, even when we teach the subject, say chemistry, we are not able to remember it in order, random recall. We may recall that way. And there are 100 elements, and you know they help in entrance exams. Is there anyone in the audience who knows 100 elements? Random recall. 100 elements, random recall. Anybody? Without looking. Okay, now we'll.
remember all the 100 elements or not? Sir, can we ask them in an order first?
Ma'am, order is very easy. We'll
Okay.
ask 6, we'll cover all 100.
All 100.
We'll all cover 100. Amrita, starting with you. Okay? 17,
Chlorine,
23,
vanadium,
31,
gallium,
42,
molybdenum,
54,
xenon,
71,
lutetium,
10th,
neon,
81,
thallium,
6,
carbon,
86,
radon.
Okay, now come to the next. 2 पे आ गए, 2 से 6. This is memory power. And trust me, with ma'am's support, Modi School will be the first in India where we'll train all the students. Not
Oh,
one.
that's great.
And you know, this is one place you'll find this happening, and trust me, we can train this from class 3. Small child from class 3 can do it. Just even a third student can do it, whatever. So in coming years, your learning is going to be fun, only just focus a little bit. You need to give us initial time, your support, and learning will become a fun. You will enjoy. And in coming years, these things will be told by other schools that this is something what is here and not anywhere. We'll make a quota also here. We'll make a CLAT also here, everything. Name the entrance and you all will be there. Right? So we go here. Okay, 22.
Titanium,
41.
niobium,
Okay, 52.
tellurium,
Okay, 58.
cerium,
75.
rhenium,
Okay.
Next, let the next.
Okay, 26.
Iron.
Okay. 31.
Helium.
Okay. 45.
Shall I say 41?
45.
Rhodium.
Okay. 99.
Einsteinium.
Einsteinium is also there, 99. Okay. 91.
91. Protectium. Protectium.
Protectium. Okay.
77,
Iridium.
82,
Lead.
68,
Erbium.
60,
Neodymium.
34,
Celerium.
75,
Rhenium.
7,
Nitrogen.
1,
Hydrogen.
Okay. So randomly we are asking any element. So it is not that it is not coming. Okay.
11,
11.
Sodium.
31,
Gallium.
21,
Scandium.
81,
Thallium.
91,
Protactinium.
61,
Promethium.
11,
Sodium.
9,
Fluorine.
13.
Aluminium.
Can you see the power? It is, and you know it's not
Very
one or
quick,
two.
very fast.
And we have not trained 1 or 2. And it just took us some, the real preparation started 2nd January 2020, where we actually started working. And we'll show you today some of the videos which we have made without they knowing it. You will see how it was done that. So, ma'am, should we go ahead with more?
Yes, next 82.
हाँ? Okay, we'll come to that. ये कह रहे हैं एलिमेंट का नाम देंगे तुम नंबर दे दो. Okay, चलो सर का एक और है. Right? Okay.
Manganese.
Manganese 25.
Mercury.
Manganese 25.
Mercury.
80.
Rhenium.
75.
Osmium.
76.
Holmium.
67.
Cerium.
58.
Barium.
56.
Fluorine. Scandium.
25.
Very good.
Sir, Modi's students will rock. और
So do they have you taught them symbols?
no, ma'am, we have not.
Not
done
symbols.
It's
Okay.
such a small time.
Okay.
But symbols logically, most of them they will have only the first two letters.
Alright.
So we had very less time.
Next, can we go on to the next?
Sakshi.
79,
Thallium.
81,
Lead.
82,
Next. 58.
cerium,
68.
erbium,
33.
arsenic,
Silicon.
14,
Rhenium.
75,
Polonium.
84,
66.
dysprosium,
71.
lutetium,
9.
fluorine,
6.
carbon,
27.
cobalt,
52.
tellurium,
Mercury.
80,
Next. Very good, very good.
So you finding it interesting? Right? We need to go with the next section. Capitals.
No, this is not, this I want to check each one of them.
white erbium,
85,
acetylene,
31,
gallium,
91,
91 is protactinium,
61,
is promethium,
59,
in 79,
zinc,
40, 30, 30,
Sure.
30, sure.
पक्का? तो 40 बता दो जाओ.
40 zirconium,
let us check, 40 is what?
Yeah, I'll check. Zirconium.
Bismuth,
83,
very good. Next. Copper,
29,
26,
iron,
31,
gallium,
krypton,
36,
calcium,
20,
lead,
82,
75,
rhenium,
70,
70,
36,
Krypton,
26,
iron,
81,
thallium,
lead,
72, 82,
94,
plutonium,
radium,
88,
very good. Next.
22,
Calcium,
20,
uranium,
92,
96,
96, curium,
74, platinum,
platinum, 78,
radon,
84, 86,
very good. Next.
This we did not prepare also both ways. We just prepared one way.
Curium,
96,
osmium,
76,
36,
krypton,
42,
molybdenum,
43,
technetium,
44,
Ruthenium.
45,
Rhodium.
86,
Radon.
tungsten,
74.
28,
Nickel.
thallium,
81.
lead,
82.
89,
Actinium.
very good. 64,
Gadolinium.
manganese,
25.
mercury,
80.
gold,
79.
platinum,
78.
75,
Rhenium.
copper,
78.
no,
Sorry,
Copper.
28.
Copper.
29. Sorry.
very good, very good. 41,
Niobium.
34,
Selenium.
32,
Germanium.
83,
Bismuth.
89,
Actinium.
99,
Einsteinium.
100,
There is fermium.
1,
Hydrogen.
very good. Next.
Next one, chalo let's see, because she was in ballet. She did not come to me. So it's been
Zirconium.
44,
44. Euthanium.
20,
20 is calcium.
80,
Mercury.
91,
21 is protactinium.
very good.
still she managed. Because all others are to move on with the countries. So this is the first team which goes on. If you want, you can or I can.
Paris.
Next. Brunei,
Bangladesh.
Badr Sari Baigwan.
Bulgaria.
Sofia.
Next. Guinea. How do you pronounce this? Guinea. Guinea.
Conakry.
Hungary.
Budapest.
Next. Indonesia.
Jakarta.
Italy.
Rome.
Costa Rica.
San Jose.
Libya.
Monrovia.
Huh? Libya.
Tripoli.
Madagascar.
Antananarivo.
Malaysia.
Kuala Lumpur.
Uganda.
Kampala.
Turkey.
Ankara.
Syria.
Damascus.
Very good.
There are some many.
Uzbekistan.
Tashkent.
Venezuela.
Caracas.
Vietnam.
Hanoi.
Tunisia.
Tunis.
Next. Very good. Mexico.
Mexico City.
Monaco.
Monaco.
Mongolia.
Ulaanbaatar.
Sri Lanka.
Sri Jayawardena Pudukkottai.
Luxembourg.
Luxembourg City.
Poland.
Warsaw.
Qatar.
Doha.
Romania.
Bucharest.
Russia.
Moscow.
Very good. Next.
Riyadh.
Serbia.
Belgrade.
Slovakia.
Bratislava.
Somalia.
Mogadishu.
Luxembourg.
Luxembourg City.
Libya.
Sorry.
Libya.
Tripoli.
Portugal.
Lisbon.
Next. Mali.
Sorry, ma'am.
Mali.
Lilongwe.
China.
Beijing.
Congo.
Congo. Which Congo?
I don't know. There are two. Congo Democratic.
Congo Democratic.
Kinshasa.
Congo Republic.
Brazzaville.
How do you pronounce the 41 city?
41 is Cote d'Ivoire. Cote d'Ivoire.
Yamoussoukro.
Yamoussoukro.
Oh my. Kazakhstan.
Nur Sultan.
Very good. Angola.
Luanda.
Cuba.
Havana.
Croatia.
Zagreb.
Denmark.
Copenhagen.
Egypt.
Cairo.
France.
Paris.
Guyana.
Georgetown.
Grenada.
St. George.
Israel.
Jerusalem,
Ireland,
Dublin,
Jordan,
Amman,
Jamaica,
Kingston,
Colombia,
Bogota,
Benin,
Benin,
yes,
Porto Novo,
Bhutan,
Thimphu,
India.
New Delhi,
Very good, very good. Very proud of you girls. Armenia,
Yerevan.
Barbados,
Bridgetown.
Dominica,
Rossio.
El Salvador,
San Salvador.
Estonia,
Estonia. Stalin.
Fiji.
Savu.
Very good.
ऐसा नहीं है इसके बीच में वो नंबर चला गया होगा. अमृता, यू वांट टू डू एनीथिंग? बैकवर्ड करोगी? मैं फॉरवर्ड नहीं कराना. ट्राई कर लो, गलत होगा. शी वाज द फर्स्ट स्पीकर, शी डिडंट इवन नो विल डू दिस. थोड़ा सा सांस लो और ये करो, फिर हम क्यूब रूट्स पे आते हैं.
2144 48 5111 2090
20 के बाद
2080 01 8400 704224 6283 55 9033 5013 9695 55 38 22 92 22 55 9977 72 898.
See, so after such a long time, and she didn't even know that I'll be calling her. So now on the screen, we'll be giving them randomly. So you all need to see the screen. ये किसका क्यूब है ये बताइए. Can you see the sheets? 1 to 4 में दिख रहा है? Please see the last page cube roots का. 1 to 4. Can you see that? Can you see that?
1, 2, 4. Yes.
Right.
I'll read out the number 190
Yes.
6624.
Yes, sir. Now you can tell any number from there. I'll type so they can see and answer. You need to give us the number. They will say किसका cube है ये.
Okay. 417 3281
Just 3, 2.
81 6 sorry 50 88 448 correct.
And one thing, ma'am, nobody can learn this cube roots. And just you are saying and the answer is coming. So in entrance exam, all mensuration questions will involve these cubes. So finding a cube root using this method, seeing the number, there has to be some way.
168 5159 119 140 4928 425
मैं नंबर ही कंप्लीट नहीं कर पा रहा. 425
515 28 162 433 0747
167
163 very good 5000 211 very good. Before sir is typing you are giving answers. 386 9893 157 very good 129 5029 109 103 0301 101 344 2951
141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 141
No, 3, 4, 4, 2. 951.
151. 5000 211. 5088 448 172. Very good. 517 7717 173. 5929 741. Very good.
And before we can have some videos coming up. This was one of the videos when ma'am randomly walked in. Voice is less, I think. Can we have voice a little bit? I think. Correct?
Denmark. Now when we go to short of countries, Azerbaijan. Colombia. Then we go Albania. Bulgaria.
और फिर याद है गाइस, अगर हम ये सब सीख जाएंगे हमारे आगे काम आएगा। रॉकेट फायर में किसी को मैं ऐसा हराऊंगी लेके भी आती हूँ।
लेकिन याद है हमें इसका पीरियोडिक टेबल का 99 वाला आंसर हमारे
बहुत अच्छा था और हमें यहाँ कितना कुछ याद हुआ इसके कारण। कंट्री के कैपिटल नहीं याद भी नहीं थे, फिर कितने साल हो गए हैं कंट्री के कैपिटल्स याद करना 100
वाली
बहुत थैंकफुल होना चाहिए। अच्छा चला और ट्यूशन के लिए चलते हैं। चलो गाइस प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं कि अच्छा चलाते हैं। Remember the first time we started learning periodic table?
you know what? And we used to learn that periodic table. But gradually, steadily, Keshav started eating us up to 100. Learning the names were like really tough. The only time,
like the atom bomb.
that was so confusing at that time. You remember that cube roots used to waste our Sundays and exactly our sleeps. Sleeps. Great one. And learning the capitals. What was that one? The name was like nuclear atoms. Because at the end of the day, Keshav sir would come and take our test, and we know if we would fail, we would remembering the names of the prime ministers. Oh, Ram, what was that? PV Narasimha Rao. That was finally every taunt, every scoldings added a feather to our cap, and now the outcome is really it's miracle. It's a miracle. It's a miracle.
Like when we started getting interested, thinking about time was very good.
Yeah, this was wrong.
This was
now
Principal ma'am say a few words और मैम का जोश देखो, मैम का आज गला एकदम चोक था, but seeing them that has opened up. Please ma'am.
Namaskar everyone. I think we should give a big thanks to Mr. Keshav and Geeta ma'am for doing such. See, these numbers, these capitals, cubes, squares, these are things that we require everywhere and all our life. We go for examinations, any kind of examination, the mathematical calculations do require all this. And then we waste a lot of time doing those calculations manually since calculators are not allowed in the examination hall. We all know this, isn't it? We cannot carry mobiles or calculators in the examination hall, but we have to be then very quick with our calculations. Now, to be quick with our calculations, we need to learn certain tricks, certain tips, which are required so that we are very quick in the examination. In most of the examinations, we say that the question paper was lengthy. Actually, the question paper is never lengthy, it's our speed which is very slow. Now, to improve our speed, we should learn such techniques, children. Now, if somebody asks me a big number and asks me that it is the cube of which number, I may not be able to answer. Such strange names of the countries, and so is the name of their capitals, and so many countries in the world. But you need to answer all these questions when you appear for your entrance examinations. As sir said, there are various entrance examinations. And this is the age when you have to learn. You have to stand apart from all the other students. When you are appearing for any examination, it is not just you or 10 students sitting in the examination hall who are appearing for the examination. There are more than lakhs of students all over the country in various centers who are appearing at the same time and competing for the same college and same seat where you want to take admission. So you have to stand apart from them. You have to be the best. And as you all know, Modi School has always been number one till date. We have been giving toppers, all India toppers in the last 2 years. This year also you have to be a topper because each one of you is very best, is very good in academics. I go anywhere and I learn and I hear a lot of praises about Modi girls. The other day I was in a conference and there were many principals there. When I met them, they always keep asking me, whenever I meet them, ma'am, how do you teach your girls? What do you do in the school? I said, it's all about my teachers and my students. I don't know what they do, but they are the best. So girls, again, this kind of learning is very important. Each one of you should know how many prime ministers in the country are, who was the prime minister in which year, what are the capitals of not only the other countries, our own states. The chief ministers, the governors, the president, the vice president. There are students who may not even know the name of the president. We all know these are general knowledge questions. And we all should know this. Right? Sir, I'll request you please give us some more time to my girls and my students and make them one of the best in the country. Not just in the state, I want them to be the best in the universe. Okay girls, thank you and keep studying.
Thank you, ma'am. It was all your support and inspiration. See, ma'am goes out of the way to give us time. I know with school, so many activities, we do take out some of the time of the teachers and all.
Children, I had announced once I went to their class, I saw them studying very seriously and learning few things. And I told them that in 10, when they go to class 10, there will be a separate section for them which will be named Einstein section. 10th Einstein. It will not be ABCD, it's going to be 10th Einstein and all the toppers and the best are going to be in that section. Because each one of them, we've heard of Super 30. If their class have 40 students in the class, they're going to be Super 40. Each one of them is going to be a topper in the country. So we'll create a separate section for all the best ones so that we give them all extra time and they can go beyond their textbooks also. They can study beyond their textbooks, not just for the examinations. They have to be all-rounder. Alright? So I want girls, prepare yourself to be a part of the 10th Einstein section. Alright?
And next year for 11th, especially, we are trying to introduce high-level coaching for medical, engineering, and CLAT we have already started with mass communication, hotel management. There are so many courses. So we'll have BBA, hotel management, mass communication, law entrance, design also will introduce. So we'll try to give you all possible entrance exam, not just the engineering, medical. And we'll try to give you the facilities where you can have time for self-studies and cope up with activities. And children believe it's not only studies which helps. It's co-curricular activity. So this is one place where you have safety, which is a big issue today for girls. You know the news coming in, तो आप कोटा जाओगे, कहीं जाओगे, आपको वो safety नहीं मिलेगा. Second, with such kind of support, you see, we'll be able to produce such results that whatever you want, you will get it here. So this is just a beginning. So I hope you'll be coming very true on your expectations and hope to see you all soon. Once again, I thank all the students, Dalika ma'am from our institute, Geeta ma'am, principal ma'am, and all of you. Thank you very much. यही नहीं, जहां भी जाएंगे वहां करेंगे, ठीक है? So Modi में, this is just a beginning, and trust me, we'll definitely do it. Right? And this is, I think, one of the first academic presentation which we tried. And trust me, if you give me some hours, we'll make everybody capable of this. It is something which can be done with everybody, right? Why not? Okay. Can be there in room number 3, 11:30. Class 10, coaching students, room number 3, 11:30.
Teachers, please take attendance and call them in the auditorium. Group number 2.
So it was a very nice experience teaching to 9 students at Modi School this memory techniques. One of the inspiring thing was they took this memory technique so seriously, and they started coming anytime whenever they were called. The enthusiasm was just amazing, and that created the enthusiasm in me to make them teach. Usually we don't take up these things in any school. It's very selected, we do at our centers sometime, but with this batch, that enthusiasm was so much that I just started it for fun and I took it to a very level. And today the presentation which they did was just outstanding. It was extraordinary, which even I could not have imagined. And everybody were just speechless seeing their performance. The performance was just above the mark, and all of them did it confidently. And I've been teaching it. If I were to do it in such a short time, I think I will not be able to do it. It took some good time for me to develop this technique. So what I feel now is Modi School is changing. They are not only now focusing on curricular, they are focusing more on academics, they are giving toppers, and with this kind of thing happening, the number of toppers counting or the board, the roll of honor which they will put will become very small. So I wish them all success and for the future, and we hope to keep on training all the students here and make Modi School rock. Thank you.
It was a great experience working with our coaching teachers, respect Keshav sir, Dalika ma'am, Apurv sir, Geeta ma'am, and with the help of our principal ma'am, we could do such great things. We've done number demo, periodic table up to 100. We have learned the names of the capitals of the countries, up to 160 plus countries. It was really, during starting, it was really tough for us to memorize these things, but gradually we learned it, and now we are very thankful to the teachers for their support, and obviously what they taught us, it's obviously going to help us. And thank you, sir.
Namaskar. I'm really thankful to all the coaching teams, especially Keshav sir, Darika ma'am, Apurv sir, Geeta ma'am, and obviously the principal. Apurv sir really did a lot of stand-up comedy. First when sir did it once in our class, we were really interested. And then sir taught us, which made us do this outstanding performance today. And I'm really thankful to everyone. Thank you.
Namaskar. in the very starting, I did not believe कि I can do it. But then Keshav sir, Dalika ma'am, Apurv sir, Geeta ma'am, they helped me to do all these number demo, periodic table, capitals. We all did this. Our 9th batch, Einstein batch, actually did this, and we got this platform to share, to experience all this, and I'm very happy to join Exemplar Point. And Modi School gave me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Namaskar, I'm Ritika, and today when our presentation started, we were really nervous. But by the time we get confident, and the number demos went really well. And especially thanks to Dalika ma'am, Keshav sir, Geeta ma'am and Apurv sir for being our support for 1.5 months preparing this. Thank you. And thanks to Principal ma'am who supported us really well. Thank you.
Namaskar. So today was our presentation and that really went well. I just really want to thank all my teachers, our coaching teachers, who gave us such opportunities to present ourselves in such a big crowd. And I just could not imagine at first that I could do these things, but they discovered out my potentials. They made me learn things that I could not even imagine I would be doing it someday. So I just really want to thank my school, our principal ma'am, and obviously our coaching teachers, Geeta ma'am, to give us such opportunities and make us do such unexpected and glorious things. Thank you. Namaskar everyone. Today is a very great experience about that. We choose coachings as we think like that ki we do something amazing, and today we did, and I have a stage fear, but I did very well, and thank you to coaching teachers and especially principal ma'am to give us chance to do, and thank you so much especially Keshav sir who support me everywhere, and thank you to coachings and Geeta ma'am especially and principal ma'am.
Namaskar everyone. Today we had a presentation that went really well, and for that we prepared, and Keshav sir, Dalika ma'am and all our coaching teachers helped us to prepare for that, and really I'm thankful to all those, because if they won't be there, I won't be able to do such things which is gonna help me in future. Like we learned periodic tables in capital of different countries, which made me feel like I can do anything. And thanks to our principal ma'am and Geeta ma'am for giving us such great opportunities. Really thank you.
Namaskar. I'm such grateful to Modi School and our coaching department that I could learn such unexpected things. I never expected that I could learn periodic table up to 100, capitals of countries up to 160 plus, and a lot of things. This have given me such great confidence that I can address great gatherings. I would really like to thank Modi School and Dalika ma'am, Keshav sir, Apurv sir and Geeta ma'am. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone. I want to give a big thank to the coaching team for putting in a lot of effort on us and teaching us number demo, periodics, capitals, cube, and which is very difficult to learn, and we can learn in a small period of time. And it was very good experience in working with them, and I want to give a big thank to them. Thank you.
Namaskar, my name is Dalika and I'm standing here in Modi School, and I'm feeling very privileged because my girls has really made me feel so proud. Firstly, they were nervous and I was nervous too. I was shivering all the time, but these girls made me so proud, and thank you to the principal ma'am, to Keshav sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Namaskar, I am Akshita, and I would like to thank all our dear teachers, Keshav sir, Dalika ma'am, Apurv sir, Geeta ma'am, and of course our respected principal ma'am for making miracles come true. Earlier, when we started learning all this, it seemed impossible, but now with the help of our teachers and our hard work, it came true. Thank you.